Here's a hairy woodpecker. I have a downy woodpecker. This is a male. And the downy woodpeckers have a shorter bill and they're a little bit smaller. But I can get within 3 feet of this guy. I'm too lazy to step out. Anyway, he is pecking all the peanut butter out of there. He also likes the lard. They need the extra fat when it's cold. But he will let me know when the log is devoid of all the nommies. Several of the other neighbors around here, we all have 3 to 5 acres, so we're not real close, but the neighbor feeds him. He's quite noisy. He goes from tree to going chit, 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 chit. How do they not get a headache? That's a nuthatch making that. I love the nuthatches. Isn't he cute? Look at his red head. Like I said, that's a male. And his girlfriend comes around here too. I have sunflower seeds that have been with the hulls off, so that's just the seeds themselves. Lots of peanut butter. I go through a gallon of peanut butter a month. Earlier I was holding the log in my hand and the nuthatches were landing on the log. To me, that is so thrilling. But I love the birds. They're my best friends. Where'd he go?